Crypto is coming. Maybe with a side of fries? Hello from this side. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's confusing, right? It's like trying to understand the plot of Tenet after a bottle of tequila. But here's the thing, more and more people are using it. It's like that friend who keeps talking about their sourdough starter. Eventually, you're gonna try a bite. Enter Pi Network. They're trying to make crypto as easy as ordering a pizza. And they've just partnered with some big names: Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, and Google. Yes, you heard that right. It's like the Avengers of the tech world decided to form a cryptocurrency supergroup. Now, before you run out and buy a solid gold doghouse with your future Pi riches, let's break down what this all actually means. So, what exactly did Pi Network announce? Well, the details are about as clear as a politician's tax returns. But the gist is this: they're teaming up with these tech giants to integrate Pi into their existing platforms. Think of it like this. What if you could earn Pi by using Microsoft Office, buying an iPhone, charging your Tesla, or searching on Google? Now, this is where things get interesting. Microsoft could potentially use its cloud computing power to support the Pi network. Apple could integrate Pi into its App Store, making it easier for people to use and spend. Tesla could let you buy an electric car using Pi. And Google? Well, they could do pretty much anything they want, because, they're Google. The idea is that these partnerships would make Pi more accessible, more user-friendly, and ultimately more valuable. It's like putting a cute puppy in a commercial. Suddenly, everyone wants what you're selling. Let's talk about Microsoft first. They're the granddaddy of the tech world, known for their software and cloud services. Imagine if they integrated Pi into Azure, their cloud platform. This could provide the Pi network with the infrastructure it needs to handle millions, maybe even billions, of transactions. It would be like giving a small-town post office the logistical power of Amazon Prime. Plus, Microsoft could incorporate Pi into its other products, like Office 365. Imagine earning Pi while you're writing a report or creating a spreadsheet. It's enough to make even the most boring tasks seem slightly more bearable. Of course, this is all speculation for now, but the potential is there for Microsoft to play a huge role in making Pi a mainstream success. Next up, we have Apple, the kings and queens of sleek design and walled gardens. They're notoriously picky about what they allow on their platform. So, if they're embracing Pi, it means something. Maybe. Imagine being able to buy apps, music, and movies on the App Store using Pi. Or, even more intriguing, imagine developers being able to integrate Pi into their apps as a reward system. Play a game, earn some Pi. Complete a workout, earn some Pi. The possibilities are endless and slightly terrifying. Of course, knowing Apple, they'll probably take a hefty cut of any Pi transactions. But hey, that's capitalism, baby. Section 5. Tesla. Charging up the future with Pi? Now, let's talk about Tesla, the electric car company that's also somehow a meme stock. They're all about innovation and disrupting industries. So, it's not a huge leap to imagine them embracing a new form of currency. Imagine being able to buy a Tesla using Pi, or charging your Tesla at a supercharger station and paying with Pi. You could even earn Pi by letting other people charge their cars using your Tesla's Powerwall. It's like Airbnb, but for electricity, and with more Elon Musk. Of course, this is all contingent on Pi actually becoming a stable and widely accepted currency, which, let's be honest, is a big if. Section 6. Google. Is Pi the key to unlocking Web 3.0? Finally, we have Google, the all-seeing, all-knowing overlord of the internet. They're already heavily invested in blockchain technology. So it's not a stretch to imagine them seeing Pi as a key part of their Web 3.0 strategy. Imagine searching for something on Google and getting rewarded in Pi, or watching a YouTube video and earning Pi from the ads. Google could even integrate Pi into its Google Pay system, making it even easier to use Pi for everyday purchases. It's enough to make you wonder if Google is secretly controlled by a sentient AI that's using Pi to enslave humanity. Okay, maybe that's a bit far-fetched, but the point is, Google has the power to make or break Pi. If they go all in, it could be huge. If they don't, well, it's back to the drawing board. Section 7. Pi in the sky, risks and rewards on the horizon. Now, before you remortgage your house to buy more Pi, let's talk about the risks. First of all, none of these partnerships are set in stone. They're just possibilities, like a unicorn riding a roller coaster on the moon. It could happen, but don't bet your life savings on it. Second, even if these partnerships do pan out, there's no guarantee that Pi will be successful. The cryptocurrency market is volatile, like a toddler on a sugar rush. Today's hot coin is tomorrow's forgotten meme. And then there's the issue of regulation. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out what to do with cryptocurrency. They could decide to regulate it to death, like a houseplant that's been overwatered. Section 8. The power of Pi. It's all about the community. So, what's the verdict? Is Pi Network the future of finance, or just another flash in the pan? Honestly, nobody knows. But here's the thing. Pi's success depends on its community. If people believe in it and use it, it has the potential to be something special. Think of it like a Kickstarter campaign. If enough people back it, it can achieve great things. But if it doesn't gain traction, it'll fizzle out faster than a New Year's resolution. So if you're interested in Pi, do your research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and get involved in the community. Because in the end, the future of Pi is in your hands. Or, more accurately, on your phone.